1969 Mach 1 Mustang 351. Last plated in 1978. So sitting in this spot for 40 years. It's a very special car. They just pulled it out, and I'll show you here in a second. But the barn actually collapsed and almost took out the car. You can see the barn collapsed over there and can't even get in over there. Sorry the video weirdly cut out, but this beam cracked and was about to come down in the car, so that's why they pulled it out from where it had been sitting for almost 40 years. So just last week they dragged it out of the barn where it had been sitting. It was last plated. We're about to see here in a second. 69 Mach 1 Mustang 351. Last plated in 1978. So yeah, this is a 1969 Mach 1 Mustang 351 car. Automatic on the floor. And this thing is just so cool. Been sitting for 40 years, roughly. And just was pulled out last week. Unfortunately, a lot of the video, for some reason, got corrupted. And I don't know how it occurred. My GoPro was fully charged, everything was working, but all I had was my pictures and some quick cell phone videos of this find that happened a few years ago. Since then, the car has been cleaned up and is safely next to the house where they've, I think, begun working on it. Unfortunately, as life happens, I haven't been able to get out where this car was sitting for quite a while. It was the plan to get out there this summer. Actually, I was planning to go out there when I was at Jefferson 2 weeks ago, but that didn't happen. But fortunately, the car is in good hands. The barn didn't hurt anything, and everyone's happy and healthy. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to record an outro this week because of my scheduling. But so I thought I'd just throw a few pictures from Holly Mo Party on here. Let you know that not much has changed. Holly Mo Party went great. Jefferson went great. Now I'm kind of into the final stretch. Probably I'll be heading to Detroit here in the near future to do McCacken stuff, because there's a lot of cool stuff that's coming up. And then there's McCacken. But if you guys have any comments or questions, leave them, of course, at any of my social media. Otherwise, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.